Do we feel relaxed now?
So this is our box.
Wait, we gotta say hello first.
Hello.
Hi.
This is Edison and this is our box.
Edison is gonna help me with my Fab Fit Fun unboxing today. Ooh. I always do different box designs. So pretty.
Look at this.
Oh, what's that?
Mommy, let's
Open it.
open the bag and see what it is.
Oh, yeah. So, there are a few items that I picked to customize this, but I don't remember picking this one.
It's a purse.
Yeah.
It's a purse.
It's a lunchbox.
For you.
It's a Kate Spade lunchbox. It says out to lunch. So in every Fab Fit Fun box, there's about $200 worth of products, and each box costs $50, $49.99. That's really cute.
I can help with the tape with my scissors.
Okay,
Snip, snap, snip, snap.
right here. Ready? Ooh, that's a magazine.
So this is our magazine.
Who's this on the cover? Megan Trainor. Aw, how she hopes to empower women. I love her. An $80 gift card for HelloFresh. They pretty much always include these. This is the third box I've gotten, and they've always had one of those in, which is really nice. This is a gift code to give somebody $15 off their first Fab Fit Fun box. That's $200 plus worth of presents to yourself for just $34.99. And just so you know, beneath this video in the description, I'll have a link to where you can get $10 off.
It's all my surprise.
Oh yeah, wait, we gotta show them.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
It smells so good.
Yeah, I love this.
I know, but we're not gonna make a big mess with that again like we did last time.
Why?
Let's put it back in. Thank you.
Oh, look at this.
Can you sit down? So people can see. Okay. What is it? This is the Better Skin Company. Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser, Scrub, and Mask. That sounds amazing.
Can I smell it?
Oh, it's closed. You have to open it up.
Can I?
I'm really curious about how that works as a cleanser, mask, and exfoliator.
Let's smell this.
Okay, what is it? It's a Vita Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Oh, protects from heat styling. Leave-in treatment.
Look at these.
You just put it in your hair when wet, and it helps protect it from heat styling. That's really nice.
Yes, look at this.
What is that?
Let's feel it.
Exfoliating sugar cubes. Juice Cleanse is the brand. Look at that. How cute.
Did you not play? Can we open them and feel them?
I don't know. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over your wet skin, concentrating on rough patches.
Let's
Can you smell it? Oh, smell that. It smells so fruity.
You want
You
feel
can
it?
touch it. Yeah, it's a little soft and squishy.
That's so fun. I can smell that all day.
That's what I was smelling when I opened the box. Okay. What else do we got here? A body souffle for humankind. Skincare with a conscience. Body souffle. It's like a lotion, but super fluffy. Must be like a fair trade brand. It's vegan and cruelty-free.
A shirt.
A shirt cut from the cloth is what it says. It's a wallet.
For you.
Yeah.
Let's see how big it is. super big. It's huge. Maybe it's big enough for 55 money.
Can you show them that?
Ta-da!
Can I see it? You gonna snap it? Like this little wallet clutch.
Well, I like to play with styrofoam. Oh, style!
What is this? I've always wanted one of these.
What is it?
It's a hair towel. It's like a super soft hair towel. It's supposed to be really good for your hair because traditional towels, when you wrap up your hair, can be pretty heavy and rough on your hair. And this one's super absorbent but also really soft. So you wrap it up like that and put your hair up in a little turban. Heat and frizz free dry.
Could I feel how soft it is?
Yeah. Oh, I seriously wanted one of these. I love it when Fab Fit Fun reads my mind.
I can cut open.
Okay, with your scissors?
Over here?
You can feel it.
I can snip all this paper in here.
After Spa is the brand.
I can snip all this paper in here.
Yeah,
if
but
you
remember,
want.
we're not going to make a mess. What is this? A deep relaxed roller ball. Restful and tranquil. Roll on. Aromatherapy. Look at the gorgeous packaging on that.
I feel something else big down here.
Look.
There's something else big down here.
Oh, you're right.
I forget. Oh.
Wait, can we smell this first? I don't know what that is. Can we smell this? Ooh, smell it.
What does it smell like?
I don't know.
Put it on
It
mine.
smells like some kind of, not what I expected. It's like a perfume,
Mommy, please put it on mine.
but
too.
not as flowery as I was expecting. Would you like some?
Not on here.
Okay. Like it smells a little bit like a cologne. Ah, do we feel relaxed now?
Oh.
Live mindfully. Oh, I do remember this one. This is an Anthropology travel yoga mat. It's a travel yoga mat because it folds up into this little square instead of rolling. I've been needing a new yoga mat because mine is very old and gross and has holes in it. So, in the customization options, I picked this one. Oh, it's pretty.
Oh,
It's navy. Oh.
how about we try to do yoga on it today?
Yeah.
Let's do yoga, please. Let's do yoga.
I want to show them on the video what the pattern looks like.
It looks like reindeer path.
It does. It looks like reindeer hooves.
Mommy, come see how big it gets bigger.
It gets bigger.
How about we lay out on the floor?
Okay.
Let's come on. Let's do this. Let's lay out on the floor. Okay, reindeer path big boy.
Well, Edison does yoga. I'm checking for any final things. Probably my favorite things from this box would be the yoga mat because I really did need one, and I love that it's actually even longer than my normal, like not travel yoga mat. It's a little bit narrower, but it's longer, so I really like that, and it's cute. And the fact that it folds up, even if I don't take it traveling anywhere, it's gonna be great for storing it here at home.
I just
That-
love to smell this.
And I'm also really excited about this hair towel because I have wanted one. Oh, I can't forget this though. This is adorable. It's always hard to pick a favorite. Is your favorite the sugar cubes?
Yeah,
Yeah.
my favorite is
So the travel yoga mat is $50 normally. So right there, that's more than what you pay for the whole box. As long as you use my coupon code for $10 off. The Better Skin Company Lava Magic is $32. The hair towel wrap is $18. So thanks for watching as we unboxed our fall FabFitFun box. Thanks for your help, Edison. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite item from this box was, and be sure to check out the link in the description to get $10 off your box.
Bye for now.
Bye for now. Don't shake the camera. You're gonna get fired.
One.